more money you make, the more you prioritize your safety. And wherever you see billionaires living together, you can be sure it's a safe and secure place. Guzape is truly Billionaire Row of Abuja. The more you explore this neighborhood, the more your jaw will drop at the stunning designs, breathtaking aesthetics, and unmatched luxury. So, instead of just looking around, let's tour this mansion. Now, take a look at this stunning white mansion. It screams old money with its 4 grand, 3-meter tall columns at the entrance. Look up and you'll notice the elegant balconies and windows, all accented with top quality European wrought iron finishes. The compound is huge, spacious enough to park your luxury cars and even your security Hilux trucks. And if you're into hosting, this is the perfect space for a mini party. Speaking of parties, you could throw the most epic pool parties here. For guests or staff staying over, there are 2 en-suite bedrooms in the BQ and another in the main building. That's just the beginning. Let's step inside. The entrance welcomes you with 2 stunning spiral staircases and an elevator in the middle. Imagine descending those stairs. It's a feeling only royalty can relate to. This mansion boasts 3 sitting rooms. Here's the first one, featuring a 3.6-meter high ceiling with beautifully decorated finishes. Right next to it, there's a dining area connected to a luxurious kitchen and a visitor's toilet. The kitchen is every chef's dream, with sleek granite countertops and plenty of space to work your magic. Perfect for shooting a cooking show or hosting a family dinner. On the ground floor, there are also 2 bedrooms that could easily accommodate your staff or guests. Now, let's take the stairs. The granite steps with bullnose edges ooze luxury as they lead to a private living room on the first floor. Here, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms and a magnificent master bedroom. Each room is thoughtfully designed, featuring long French windows that let in plenty of natural light. Every bedroom also has its own balcony and en-suite bathroom. And then there's the master bedroom, the crown jewel of this mansion. It's the largest room with an elegantly decorated ceiling, tall French windows, and a bathroom fitted with an automated water system for ultimate convenience. This luxurious mansion is on the market for just 2 billion naira. Considering the exclusive neighborhood, top-notch security, and high-profile society you'll be joining, this is an absolute steal. Plus, with ongoing developments in the estate, the value will only keep going up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my next video. It's going to be even more jaw-dropping than this one. See you next time. Adios.